No budget, no plan, my car broke, panic, dentist bill, anxiety. This video is about systematizing your personal finances the same way you systematize your job or productivity. Because if your work gets a calendar, your money should at least get a damn budget. We'll talk about basics, budgeting, separating accounts, all the way to automation and nerdy tools. Beginner friendly, but with an aftertaste of tech nerd stuff.
You are just saving and budgeting so you can gamble with stocks.
It's not gambling if you don't sell. Welcome to the ToasterBotnet, holistic self-improvement for the internet generation. And that includes finances, because finances are a very important part of life, if we like it or not. Today's topic: plan before you need a plan. People think budgeting means you can't have fun. That's like saying Google Calendar is ruining your life because it tells you when to yoga. Budget doesn't restrict you, it prioritizes for you. You can buy shoes or Nvidia stock, just pick one on purpose. Budgeting is not much work. Budgeting is not restrictive, and budgeting is not boring. Once it's set up, it's a breeze. No budget, no plan, my car broke, panic, dentist bill, anxiety. I tried to fix it by spending less next month, and which is basically financial astrology at best. I also didn't invest early, big mistake. Compounding doesn't care about your excuses. Now, if something breaks or unexpected bills hit, I literally shrug and sip coffee while rebalancing my budget. That's the real flex. Also, small side note, I almost never have unexpected bills because I always know what's coming up. You wouldn't run a company without a cash flow plan. So why are you running your life like a sketchy street vendor? Your separate accounts? These are your departments. YNAB or other budgeting tools, they are your finance department. Emergency fund, it's your insurance. Stock investing, it's your R&D for your future self. You are the CEO of your life. Start acting like one with dividends. Bank buckets, like bank account buckets, I separate money into different accounts for savings, investing, consumption, and essential bills, like having different vaults for different dragons. I made a video about that, but don't look it up, it's super old and cringe. YNAB budgeting on autopilot. I spend like 10 minutes a month on it. I have a crystal clear overview and plan for my money and expenses. Custom Python scripts pulls all relevant tax accounting data from the YNAB API. Thanks to the YNAB guys for providing an awesome API. One button and I'm done. Literally no work, everything automated. Scheduled transactions. They basically run my life now. Everything that is recurring gets a scheduled transaction and a goal. I always know what bills and expenses will hit my account. And of course, paying automation. Bills pay themselves. I only touch my wallet if there's cake involved. Don't pay stuff manually if you can automate everything. Scroll memes instead. It's a way better use of your time. Also, here are memes. Back to the real stuff. You can copy the basics, you don't need the nerdy parts, but once you get a taste of financial automation, you will never go back. And give budgeting a try, really. Here's the punchline. Most financial stress is preventable. Plan ahead for taxes, repairs, emergency, and fun future chaos. Because life is unpredictable, but your cash flow doesn't have to be. You don't need to be rich to have peace of mind. You just need a plan that exists before shit hits the fan. Start simple. One budget, one emergency fund, one automation. Your future self will thank you. And buy stocks. Like, comment and subscribe if you want more videos like this. I've also got a referral link to Ynet down in the video description. If you want to support the channel and take your budget from chaotic neutral to lawful good, check it out. That's it. Join the botnet for the almighty algorithm.